taught you how to write? Papa? No. Put your hands on the desk. I said, put your hands on the desk. Drop your guns. You are not supposed to write in here.
There's old Tim Johnson right there.
You gotta be the one to shoot him.
But I haven't shot in so long.
Don't worry about that. You're the best shot in Macon County.
Okay.
Your dad's a color lover.
Oh no! Ah!
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, look at my client's arm. You cannot find him guilty.
Ladies and gentlemen, how have you decided? The jury has found Tom guilty.
No!